see equality, justice and sweet liberty, with a bit of dignity to my recipe. I'd like to see harmony, kindness and empathy, stirring generosity to my recipe. I'd like to see humanity caring for each other, good to one another unselfishly. This I'd like to see. I'd like to see this fantasy someday become reality, and the past be just a memory in my recipe. I'd like to see transparency, no more mediocrity, just honor and integrity in my recipe. I'd like to see you and me caring for each other, good to one another unselfishly. This I'd like to see. Give me the ingredients, what a cake I would bake with my recipe. What a world it would make. I'd like to see dishonesty banished from being policy, maybe return to democracy in my recipe.